We're tracking a soggy start to our Friday across the board here just about as we get into this Friday morning, seeing some unreal amounts of some rain falling just outside the viewing area, especially back toward places like Warrensburg, seeing some reports of about 6 to 7 to even 8 inches of rain being reported out in Johnson County. So thankfully, none of that has fallen nearly that intense across mid-Missouri, but we are going to be looking at some heavier rain, especially some of our southern counties later on this morning. That'll eventually translate off toward the south and east of us as we get into this afternoon, and then things start to shape up a little bit better as we get into this afternoon and evening for our Friday. A little bit drier later on tonight. Looking at rain tracker again, anywhere along and south of I-70 is where we're going to be watching for the potential. We've seen some flooded roadways down that direction, certainly just adding on rain that we don't need at this point. We've had it a little bit too much over these last couple of days. But there is some good news here as we head into this weekend. Things going to be settling back down by Saturday or later on this afternoon, really, but by tomorrow, staying dry completely as we head throughout the first day of this weekend. On Sunday, though, looks like we're going to be ushering in those rain chances. Here's the latest look at future tracking. Again, you'll see some of these rain chances coming back in terms of that cold front sliding south and east. It's going to be bringing back those showers and even a few thunderstorms possible as that works its way on through. Unfortunately, though, may have to add them on into Monday because we could be seeing enough moisture kind of getting slung back around that system. We could see some of that as we head into the first day, of that work week next week. But looking at the big picture, again, this is kind of what calls the shots, these winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere, not quite up to the jet stream, but just underneath that. And as we head into these next couple of days, they're coming straight out of the north here. That trough, though, notice that spin? That's what could be Hurricane Isaias here, continuing to work its way up the eastern seaboard. This trough that's calling the shots for us here and keeping us nice and cool is actually going to try to swing that system back out to the Atlantic, but there's another high-pressure system trying to throw it into the continental United States. So something that we're going to be watching closely, something we're going to be continuing to track as we head not only into this week, and it looks like Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday of next week, where we're watching that tropical system along the East Coast. Back here into mid-Missouri, though, good news is, for the most part, we're staying fairly quiet. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Nice and cool, though. Those afternoon highs going to be struggling to get much warmer than 80 degrees over these next 7 days.